I skyrocketed my typing speed to 500 WPM. People always love typing fast. There has been trends of world records covering massive typing speeds which are humanly possible. I googled the fastest typing speed ever recorded and it was 212. But that's human limit. Is there any way to push further? My idea is simple. Run a Python script which can type. We can use PyAutoGUI and use the typewriter feature of it. But there's one problem. We can't determine the randomness of the paragraph. Every time it's a different set of words, which are not predeterminable. To overcome this issue, my idea is to take a screenshot of the area which contains the text, then extract the text from the image by scanning it, and then feed the text to the module which would then type it for me. But honestly, hold on. This is not how exactly I can do it, because there is a blinking cursor in front of the sentence which can interfere with the screenshot and can result in some wrong character implementation. To prevent this, I have to make sure to take the screenshot when the cursor blink fades. Also, the tab spaces and the new line has to be kept track of. With these points in mind, we can then write the code for the same. I used this Python code to take the coordinates of the range of the screenshot. I want the screenshot to be taken on a key press, which makes the whole process much more secure. I choose the left control as the trigger. Also, to convert the image to text, I am using PyTesseract. Here, I check for the control key press and register a function to it. Inside the function, I take the screenshot and feed it to Tesseract, which extracts the text from the image and puts it in a variable. I then iterate through all the text letters and check if the letters are alphanumeric or white spaces. If not, we do not allow the letters to pass through. Then we append each verified letter, white spaces and new line characters to an empty list which would then contain the sentence structure. I then iterated upon the entire list and took each element and joined them with an empty string. New lines and white spaces are just converted to spaces so that it becomes a string suitable for typing. Then I pass the string to the typewriter method of PyAutoGUI with a decent interval. The lesser the interval, the faster the typing is. To ensure that the program does not reset upon itself or register any other void key press, we exit the program once the sentence is typed. We then run the code. Once we head to the site and press the left control, the code starts to type at insane speeds within just 1.2 seconds of execution. And that is how I broke the physical limit of typing speed using computer science.